Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos right from your device, whether your phone or laptop, without any software. Okay, it's a very simple process you can do, and in no time you can start downloading YouTube videos to your phone, to your laptop and device. But take note, this doesn't work on iOS, and unfortunately for me, I'm using an iOS, but you can use this on your laptop. If you have an iOS, you can do it on your laptop. Okay, so I'm going to dive straight into it. So the very first step you want to do is go to your browser and then go to the particular video you want to download. So in this case, let me just go for this video. Now let's say I want to download this video, right? Can you see? All you have to do is come to the URL. Can you see the URL? Just come over to the URL, then scroll to where we have, can you see, M dot.
Welcome to the short APL Go presentation about the compensation.
Erase like this, erase the M dot, then replace it with SS, then click on Go.
I have friends and
family, and then it will take you to
a different
website. Just observe. All right, it will auto-populate here, and then it will give you the different formats. Now if you want to download it in the MP4, which is the largest size, go ahead. If you want to download the MP4, you can see we have MP4. So these are the versions available for download for this one. So most cases what I do is I download the MP4 360. That is, it's good, it's a very good quality, but not as good as 720. So maybe because of data, or maybe you just want it fast, it's best to go for this. But again, take note, this one with red and X means there is no sound. That's why they won't be so as heavy as these other ones. So once you do that, it will download to your phone, and that's it. I hope you're able to get value. Please subscribe to the channel. I promise to keep giving you useful content such as this. Okay, another method again is you could just come over to the video you want to download, copy the link, then go to visit this site en.saferom.net. Can you see? All you have to do is just paste the link here. Once you paste, it's going to appear, and then you just click on search. It's going to scroll and it will give you the same option. Okay, so, and again, okay, let me just quickly also cover Facebook. For Facebook videos, all you have to do is just come over here, click on fbdown.net, then you get the video as well. Facebook video you want to download, just paste the YouTube video, the Facebook video, and search. It's the same thing. It's very similar to the first type. It's going to appear, and all you have to do is just click on this, and it will give you options to download, and boom, you download your video. All right, I hope you got value. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be the first to get all videos whenever